Hey little stars, tonight we are going on a magical adventure to a land made entirely of candy, rivers of chocolate, marshmallow mountains, and skies sparkling like rainbows. But oh no, the colors are disappearing. Can our brave princess save Candyland before it turns grey forever? Let's find out together.
Welcome to Audio Nanny.
Snuggle into your bed, close your eyes, get cozy, take a gentle breath. Let's go to the Candyland together. In Candyland, everything was made of sweets. Yum! The houses were of cakes, the roads were caramel, the mountains were marshmallows, and right in the center stood a big gate I called the Rainbow Candy Heart. The Rainbow Candy Heart held 15 miracle colors. Each color had a special job that kept Candyland bright and happy. Red gave love and courage. Orange gave energy and excitement. Yellow spread happiness. Green helped plants grow. Blue colored the sky and rivers. Purple gave imagination. Pink spread kindness. White brought peace. Brown built chocolate lands. Black painted the night sky. Silver sparkled like stars. Gold shined like sunshine. Turquoise colored the oceans. Lavender made flowers bloom. And rainbow held them all together. Guarding the Rainbow Candy Heart was a brave little girl named Maryam. Maryam loved Candyland more than anything. One morning, Maryam woke up and noticed something strange. The sky looked pale. The candy trees had lost their shine. The chocolate river looked dull. She ran to the Rainbow Candy Heart and she noticed colors were fading. Just then, a shadow appeared in the sky. Ha 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 ha! I am the shadow of boredom, it said in a deep voice. I steal colors from places where children stop believing in miracles. Maryam felt scared, but she stood tall. I believe in miracles, she said bravely. The shadow laughed. Ha 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 ha. Then find the 15 colors before sunset, or Candyland will turn grey forever. And just like that, the colors scattered across the land. Maryam grabbed her rainbow candy staff and began her journey. She first went to Strawberry Valley, where Red was hiding behind a giant candy cane. I feel weak, Red whispered. No one is being brave. Maryam thought for children who help their friends and tell the truth. Bravery still exists, she said softly. Red began to glow again and floated back into her staff. Next, she visited the lemon fields. Yellow was sitting quietly. No one is laughing anymore, Yellow said. Maryam told the silliest joke about dancing jelly beans. Soon, gummy bears were giggling and bouncing. Yellow sparkled brightly again. In the mint forest, Green looked tired. Children forgot to care for nature. I feel sad, Green said. Maryam watered a tiny mint sprout. It grew instantly. Green smiled and returned. By the chocolate river, Blue was quiet. Everyone feels too busy to relax and talk, Blue whispered. Maryam sat beside the river and listened to the gentle flow. Calmness returned. Blue shined again. Inside the candy castle, Purple had stopped imagining. Maryam closed her eyes and imagined flying cupcakes and singing marshmallows. Purple burst into color again. Pink was hiding near the marshmallow hills. Kindness feels forgotten, and I feel sad too, Pink said. Maryam shared her candy apple with a lonely gumdrop. Pink glowed warmly. White helped two arguing gummy bears forgive each other. Brown strengthened the chocolate caves. Black painted a peaceful night sky. Silver polished the twinkling stars. Gold warmed the land with hope. Turquoise splashed through candy oceans. Lavender bloomed across flower fields. One by one, Maryam restored 14 colors. But the most important color was still missing. Rainbow. Yes, rainbow. At the top of Sugar Mountain, Maryam found rainbow faint and weak. Without the other colors believing in themselves, I cannot shine, Rainbow whispered. Maryam smiled gently. They believe now. So you also believe in yourself. One by one, the 14 colors floated around her. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, white, brown, black, silver, gold, turquoise, lavender. Together they circled rainbow. Suddenly, a bright beam of light filled the sky. Rainbow exploded into brilliant color. The shadow of boredom appeared again, but it was shrinking. Impossible, it growled. Maryam stood tall. Miracles live where children laugh, imagine, care, and believe. The light grew brighter and brighter until the shadow disappeared completely. Candyland sparkled once more. The sky was bright blue. The candy trees shimmered. The chocolate river flowed smoothly. The rainbow candy heart shone stronger than ever before. From that day on, Maryam became known as the guardian of colors. And whenever children shared, dreamed, laughed, and believed in miracles, the 15 colors glowed even brighter. And maybe, just maybe, if you close your eyes tonight, you might see Candyland shining in your dreams. So, my little ones, keep dreaming, be brave, shine like a sunshine, and never lose hope. Good night and have a sweet dreams. Audio Nanny is watching over you. Parents, if you like this story, like, share and subscribe.